I have a confession to make. The sun isn't yellow like you see in my solar images. The sun isn't actually yellow, it's white. Sunlight contains every color in the rainbow. When mixed together makes white light. Here on Earth, our atmosphere scatters more blue light than other colors, and so we see the sun as being slightly yellow, or at sunrise and sunset, even orange or red. But if you were in space, the sun would look white. But through my special solar telescope, the sun actually looks red, and that's because I use an H-alpha solar telescope. This is probably a good time to remind you that you should never look at the sun unless you have equipment that is specially designed to look at the sun. So instead of collecting all of the visible sunlight, it lets through just a very narrow band of light called hydrogen alpha. This is a deep red light at 656.28 nanometers wavelength. But by looking at this wavelength, the features that are normally invisible in white light suddenly jump out. That's how we're able to see prominences and filaments and the detailed texture of the sun's chromosphere that we can't see in visible light. So when I look in the eyepiece, I see red, but the camera I use doesn't see red at all. It's actually a monochrome camera, meaning it only captures black and white and shades of gray. This allows it to have more contrast and get more detail than a color camera would see. The software I use captures thousands of frames, and then I use other software to stack these images to pull out the details. Only after all of that do I take it into Photoshop and add the color. Most solar photographers, including myself, add yellow or orange tones to their solar imaging because that is the color that people most instinctively recognize as being the sun. So it's all about combining science, photography, and a little bit of color to allow us to see something that our eyes can never see.